How do experts perform advanced welding on aluminum fishing boats? Imagine a boat that can handle the toughest saltwater conditions and still stay strong and leak-free for years. That's what expert welding can do for aluminum fishing boats. When it comes to welding aluminum, specialists use specific techniques and tools designed for this lightweight, highly conductive metal. The most common method is tungsten inert gas welding, also called gas tungsten arc welding. This process gives precise control over the heat and produces clean, smooth welds, which are essential for thin aluminum hulls and structural parts. Because aluminum conducts heat so well, it cools down quickly, making it tricky to weld. Welders need to set their machines to higher amperage, often between 150 to 300 amps, depending on the thickness of the aluminum. For example, a 1/4 inch thick aluminum sheet might need around 100 amps to weld properly. They also carefully control the filler rod feed rate, usually about 1 to 2 inches per second, to avoid overheating or weak spots. The filler rod, often made of aluminum alloy, is continuously fed into the weld pool to keep the joints strong and prevent cracks. Before welding begins, the surface must be spotless. Experts clean the aluminum with denatured alcohol to remove oils and dirt. They avoid aggressive sanding because it can embed impurities that weaken the weld. Proper joint fit-up is also key. The edges should be aligned tightly, with gaps no larger than 1/16 of an inch, to ensure even penetration. When welding, specialists often use continuous seam welding instead of spot welds or rivets. This creates a seamless, watertight hull that resists leaks and reduces maintenance. They may also use automated or semi-automated welding machines for consistent results, especially when building multiple boats. After welding, experts inspect the welds visually and sometimes perform non-destructive testing, like dye penetrant inspection, to check for cracks or porosity. Some boats also undergo heat treatment to relieving stresses in the weld area, which helps prevent cracking over time. The result is a boat that is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and built to last in saltwater environments. By combining precise TIG welding, careful heat control, thorough surface prep, and continuous seam welding, specialists create aluminum fishing boats that are both strong and durable.